What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to block email senders in the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. To begin, open the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. This is the default email app, so it should be already installed on your device. Once you're in Mail, go to the mailbox containing the email you want to block. If you have multiple email accounts set up, you can choose all inboxes to view emails from all of your accounts in one place. Next, locate the email from the sender you'd like to block. Once you found it, swipe left on the email. A few options will appear, such as flag, mark as read, and more. Tap on More to open additional options. In the list of options that appears, scroll down to find the Block Sender option. When you tap Block Sender, this will flag the email and block future messages from that sender, moving them directly to your junk or blocked folder. After you've blocked a sender, a blocked icon will appear next to the email subject, making it easy to see that this contact is blocked. If you change your mind and want to unblock this sender, you can reverse this action just as easily. Swipe left on one of their emails, tap More, scroll down, and select Unblock Sender. This will allow emails from this contact to return to your inbox as usual. Now that you know how to block a sender directly in the Mail app, let's look at another way to manage blocked contacts from the Settings app on your iPhone. Close the Mail app and open Settings. Scroll down to the App section, and then search for Mail in the search bar above. Once found, tap to enter the Mail settings. Inside the Mail settings, scroll down to the Threading section, where you see an option labeled Blocked. Tap on Blocked to view a list of all the email contacts you've blocked on your iPhone. Here, you see any blocked contacts, including the sender you just blocked in the Mail app. If you want to unblock someone from this list, swipe left on their name and select Unblock. This will remove them from the blocked list, allowing their emails to reach your inbox again. You can also add new contacts manually to the blocked list by tapping Add New at the bottom of the page. This option lets you select contacts directly from your address book, allowing you to block someone even if they haven't recently emailed you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.